Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Amenify Resident app is and how it's positioned. Amenify Resident is a lifestyle service app designed to connect apartment residents with on-demand home and personal services, based on official App Store and Google Play descriptions. It is positioned as part of a larger resident commerce platform that works with property communities to provide integrated services and convenience features, according to the developer's official website. Users can book services like home cleaning, chores, grocery delivery, pet care, and handyman work directly through the app, which are listed as core features in official descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app allows users to schedule, monitor, and pay for services within a single interface, which is highlighted as a key convenience feature on the official website. It also supports subscriptions for recurring services, which may help automate routine tasks like cleaning or maintenance, based on developer information. According to official sources, users receive real-time notifications when services are completed, helping track progress without needing direct communication. Integrated payment and tipping options are included, allowing transactions to be handled directly inside the app instead of using external methods. The platform may also provide monthly credits and discounted service rates through partnerships with residential communities, though availability depends on the specific property setup. Some features, including service availability and pricing, can vary by location and participating community, which is not fully consistent across all users and should be considered a limitation. Access to the app's full functionality typically depends on whether a user's apartment or housing community is partnered with Amenify, based on official platform details. This app may be useful for residents looking to simplify everyday tasks by booking services directly through their housing community. For users interested in combining home services, scheduling, and payments into one platform, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.